Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. Today's lesson we will learn how to say must in Japanese. Now to say must in Japanese, we use the predicate nakereba ikemasen, often seen in written language, and it's the same with nakyaikemasen, although it's more colloquial and mainly used in spoken language. Okay? So nakereba ikemasen and nakyaikemasen. For example, 明日は試験があるから because there is an exam tomorrow. 勉強しなければいけません or 勉強しなきゃいけません I must study because there is an exam tomorrow. 明日は試験があるから勉強しなければいけません or 勉強しなきゃいけません Okay? In 勉強しなければいけません or in any other verbs, we use the short negative form. So here we have suru, and the short negative of suru is shinai. Shinai. Short negative present tense. So suru, shinai. What we did was we dropped the last hiragana I, as you hear, si in the red one, and then we change it with kereba ikemasen and kya ikemasen. So it becomes shina kereba ikemasen and shina kya ikemasen. Okay? Alright. Now the origin of nakereba ikemasen is this. Nakereba or nakya means if you do not do. And then ikemasen is you cannot go. So this double negative results to a mandate. You cannot go without doing means must in Japanese. So here, ikemasen. Ikemasen comes from the verb iku, to go. So ikemasen is the potential form, negative present polite. In this lesson, we're going to only use the negative potential form of iku. So, ikemasen, ikenai, ikenakatta, ikemasen deshita. Alright? We'll see that later. Another example. Anata wa kodamo no to yasai o tabe nakereba ikemasen or tabe nakya ikemasen. So here, tabe nakereba ikemasen comes from taberu, the verb taberu, to eat. And its short negative present form is tabenai. Here, we remove the last hiragana I. So, it becomes tabe na kereba ikemasen or tabe na kya ikemasen. Okay? You must eat. You must eat fruits and vegetables. Alright, so this is the table for eat, taberu. So we have taberu, tabemasu, tabenai, which is the focus of our subject. Tabemasen, tabeta, tabemashita, tabenakatta, tabemasen deshita. Okay, so we focus on tabenai, the present casual negative form. Tabe na kereba ikemasen or tabe na kya ikemasen. It means must eat, must eat. So we drop the hiragana I. Okay, it's easy to follow. Another verb is suru. So for suru, we have the conjugation suru, shimasu, shinai, shimasen, shita, shimashita, shinakatta, shimasen deshita. And our focus is shinai. For example, shukudai o shinakereba ikemasen or shinakya ikemasen. Here, as you can notice, shina comes from shinai, where we drop the hiragana I again and replace it with nakereba ikemasen, nakya ikemasen. That is the present casual negative form. Okay? Please remember. 学校に来なければいけません or 来なきゃいけません. You must come to school. Here we have also another verb, kuru. Kuru to come. The conjugations of kuru are kuru, kimasu, then konai, kimasen for the negative present. So here we focus on konai. So for konai, kona, we drop the hiragana I and then add kereba ikemasen. Kona kereba ikemasen. Kona kya ikemasen. Okay? You must come to school. Alright, now ikemasen can be conjugated also. Ikemasen is the long form present. So it means must. And we also have the past tense, ikemasen deshita, had to, long form past. And we also have the short form present. It also means must, ikenai. So ikemasen, ikenai. They both mean must. And then we have the short form past, had to, ikenakatta, ikenakatta. Okay, these are the conjugations. And this is the table for those conjugations. So, ikemasen, ikenai, nakereba ikemasen, nakyaikemasen, must. In the present polite. Nakereba ikenai, nakyaikemai. For the present casual. Nakereba ikemasen deshita, nakyaikemasen deshita. For the past polite. And another had to. Nakereba ikenakatta or nakya ikenakatta. Had to, same. But it is casual form. Okay? So this is the conjugation for nakereba ikemasen, nakya ikemasen. Okay? Keisa wa 6時に起きなきゃいけませんでした. So here we used the long form past tense. So, きゃいけませんでした. This morning I had to get up at 6 o'clock. 彼女が来るから部屋を掃除しなきゃいけない. So we use here the short form present. きゃいけない. I must clean the room because my girlfriend is coming. 彼女が来るから部屋を掃除しなきゃいけない. And we have, lastly, 食べ物を買わなきゃいけなかった. 食べ物を買わなきゃいけなかった. I had to buy food because my girlfriend is coming. 食べ物を買わなきゃいけなかった. Alright, now how do you say must not? Firstly, must not is a strong sentence, a strong prohibition that is only used by those persons in authority. Must not is formed by the te form of the verb. Okay? Te form of the verb plus wa plus ikemasen. So here we also use ikemasen, but with a different grammar rule. Te form of the verb wa ikemasen. Koko de shashin no totte. So totte is the te form of toru, to take. Totte wa ikemasen. You must not take pictures here. Okay? Koko de shashin no totte wa ikemasen. Another. Uso o tsuite. Uso o tsuite. Tsuite is the te form of the verb tsuku, to tell, lies. Tsuite wa ikemasen. Uso o tsuite wa ikemasen. You must not tell lies. Okay? So this is the negative form of must. Must not. Alright, let's try some exercise. You're going to be very busy tomorrow and you must do the following. 7時に起きる to get up at 7. 7時に起きなければいけません. Or 7時に起きなきゃいけません. I must get up at 7 o'clock. Or I have to get up at 7 o'clock. Okay, so let's try these other examples. You can pause the video and try formulating the sentence yourself using nakyaikemasen or nakerebaikemasen. Okay, or you may continue watching. Alright, so we have the answers. The first one is 8時に家を出る. To leave home at 8 o'clock. So how do we say that? nakyaikemasen. We say 8時に家を出なければいけません or 出なきゃいけない. I must or I have to leave house at 8 o'clock. So 出る, its negative form is 出ない. 出ない. So we drop the hiragana i. Next. 9時に授業に来る. I must come to class at 9 o'clock. 9時に授業に来る. Must come to class at 9 o'clock. 9時に授業に来なければいけません or 来なきゃいけない. I must or have to come to the classroom at 9 o'clock. Next, 1時に先生に会う. To meet teacher at 1 o'clock. So here we have 1時に先生に 1 o'clock teacher. 会わなければいけません or 会わなきゃいけない. I must or I have to meet teacher at 1 o'clock. Okay? From 2 o'clock, must teach English. 2時から英語を教える. So, 2時から英語を教えなければいけません or 教えなきゃいけない. So, 教える, it's 教える to teach becomes 教えない. I must or have to teach English from 2 o'clock. Alright, next. 午後、図書館に行って本を借りる. So, this afternoon, go to the library and borrow books. Say, 午後、図書館に行って go to the library. 本を借りなければいけません or 借りなきゃいけない. Borrow books, must borrow books. So, 借りる becomes 借りない in negative. Okay? Next. 電気代を払いに行く. 電気代を払いに行く. To go and pay the electric bills. 電気代を払いに行かなければいけません. So, 行く is 行かない in the negative. So, 行かなければいけません. 払いに行かなきゃいけない. Must go and pay the bills. I must or have to pay the electric bills. And last two examples. 夜宿題をする. To do the homework. 夜宿題をする. しなければいけません or しなきゃいけない. Must do the homework. I must or have to do my homework tonight. Okay, so しない is the negative present of する. Negative present casual. 晩ご飯の後、薬を飲む. Take the medicine after eating or after meal. 晩ご飯の後, after dinner. 薬を飲まなければいけません or 飲まなきゃいけない. 薬を飲まなきゃいけない. After dinner, must drink medicine or I must drink or I have to drink medicine after dinner. 晩ご飯の後、薬を飲まなければいけません. 薬を飲まなきゃいけない. 薬を飲まなきゃいけない. Okay? Alright, I hope you have learned something today and thank you for listening.